frying pan, ya biggie.
Yeah, man.
Why night?
Big man thing. A big man frying pan, man. So I fry my chicken in a man.
Oh, yeah, it's a big frying pan, man.
$5,000 buy that fire.
Eh?
God, Christian, I go see the frying pan and I say, oh, you not left here, you know? Family frying pan chicken that you
Yo.
when me season up a 5-pound chicken.
Eh.
I put it on this. One lick. See there, a 5-pound of chicken in one. See there.
Where you say, man?
Yeah, man.
A biggest frying pan that me ever. That's heavy, you know?
Yes.
They say 5,000.
5,000 me buy for. Go to Christian and see it until me say me not left it.
Wicked frying pan that. And it cook it while it's fried, you know?
Yeah, cook it to I can cover it down.
So the hot them can't get that?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. They can't get this now. That's why I made that shake for a man.
Rain, no rain. Bones the cat. Rain there, Bones. Zinc out the door. This morning, man up here, Jamaica Good Life in the country. I have my sugar cane, so the flowers in there. Oh, my sugar cane right there, so. Tree bulla. Denny, you want the bulla? Good morning, world. This is Jamaica. Good Life, Jamaica. Here in Manchester in the mountains. It's a beautiful morning. Get the sun. Drink some tea, some mint tea, steamed carlo, and a green banana. This is the beautiful island of Jamaica. Sun is beautiful this morning. So what we're talking about is you can rent land in America, from America, with someone here. You can rent a big piece of land. Mm-hmm. You can plant just papaya if it's just papaya.
Yes, man. You have a big company. You have a certain company like called Grace. All of them big companies will make juice. If them know say you have a 2-3 acre papaya, they just give you a contract. Juicy beef, them give you a contract. So you just have a vehicle and just get your party. And when you're ready, they call you for the check. They see that business, you see the plan here? If you plant
because with papaya, you don't need for water it.
No, you don't have to do nothing.
You don't need to clean it.
You don't have to clean it in Japan one leaf. So there's nothing you have to do to it more than just plant it and make sure you don't take up in the grass.
Even pineapple.
Even pineapple, you don't have to do nothing to them. Those things.
So it's just that you don't have the time for those.
To do everything.
But you have the land.
But we have the land. All the hillside, they used to go up the hill there. All in the hillside, that land, if you plant pineapple, you know. Because pineapple, I love too much level dirt, you know. They say on the hillside, just chop it down and bun it down.
The one that you were...
Top side with the yam, you just chop down all the inside and burn them down with fire. And just juke the papaya sucker in the papaya and the pineapple in the
you know, sir, if my brother Tony watch this, you know, sir, Tony come down, come plant it yourself.
Lord God.
He's a man that plant a West Palm, you know.
Some things they are bush you can create. Because you're not afraid to market, you're not afraid to worry about say, where am I going to get it? Say? If you go on a juicy beef right now, if me have a van now, I can just go on a juicy beef a 4 pass out this. And say, we have 50 bunch of plant, you know. Well fit. You say, okay, yes.
Them fried.
No man, they take make juice, man. I make plant porridge. When you go in a juicy beef, man, you will have to see a bowl of plant porridge and see what you get.
Class, money.
You buy it, man, you buy and make plant porridge in a day. You come out factory juicy beef for buy and white. And they say plant porridge in all of them. Early as you catch a man in the morning, you can get a bowl of plant porridge in a juicy beef. And the people they work there overnight and make these things. So things are life investment in Jamaica, but here's the problem with me now, like all we know. Let me tell you my two greatest problem. We don't have the capital to move the thing to the next level. Yet, you understand? Because you need money to take it to the next level, you know. And you just look on it and say it about doing so. Because if you call a man this man, if you go to work, you have to have your money to pay him. You have to have your food to give him. So if you can afford the money now, so you go down the road and you get 5 man to the
Alright, so let me see if I can simplify this. If I take 40 US, I could hire a man for 2 days.
For 2 days.
How many papas can he plant for 2 days?
Well, it man.
About 300.
More that man. I just somebody dig like a cornhole, you know. And I said, well, you have to.
So he could plant about 600 papas.
Yes.
And in a year, that's $40 will turn into, without any kind of monetary...
Not even fertilizer anyway.
Okay, that $40 can turn into, let's say, probably around 4,000 US.
Yeah. Yeah. I even want that too.
So just to be on the good safe side, let's say 2,000 US.
2,000.
That 40,000 will turn to 2,000.
2,000.
And the next year it'll be again.
It's cheaper.
It triple.
Yeah, because more the tree I go put a bit. The tree where you see, when you go down in the ground, you see, and you see the tree with the tree big of one penny. Alright, again tell you.
So you have about 60 papa thing at the field. You don't have a lot because you
No,
don't
we don't have a lot. But what we are going to know, but here the thing now, like how we then here to certain things now, we can plant now. A 2 tree was there, you know. When we plant. Me just pop in the hole.
Yeah.
And throw some seed in it. Because somebody seed didn't go, but 2 did grow. So you see the first one that grow, it did it for about 3 years a beer. Start beer early and it did it for about 3 years a beer. Until he get old last year. And the one that yesterday no, he didn't beer none at all. He just decided him and now beer. And as early as that one go down, him start beer. You see how much he happening now? All the other day we go over there to see what big ever wants under the tree drop, ripe and drop. Because we never go over there. So him a beer now. So it's like, you know, it look like the papaya them don't like when 2 in a hole. Because, alright, look, see them the way they have on
side by side and too close.
They're too close, yes. They
You want them like by themselves.
Right.
Them get jealous of each other. Maybe the electrical energy too much. You say, no, I can't. You suck all the electric energy out of the thing.
So, these things, that's what I say, if I... Why? Sometimes I just
But you know what I realize is lack of knowledge. The knowledge in America people go for, right? There's knowledge here, the same knowledge.
We may have go America.
Anywhere in the world you go, and anything you're doing, anywhere you are, there is sustainability.
Yes. Yeah, man, you don't have to go America for rich. You understand? Right, that's not rich too. You don't have to go America for have.
Baba, You can plant a whole castor oil field in a Baba.
Yeah, God, they not tell
You know how
say-
expensive castor oil is?
But yeah, me tell you, say, when Marlena come down a year time and in call me, man, I say me feel look 2 quarter cause like 28,000 or 38,000 I me take buy 2 buckle a castor oil, you know. And what me I say, the woman them, well, I talk about them.
You know, so now I know my friend, he said he makes the castor oil. You see, Soji, dangerous man.
Alright, they have a next aisle. Me say me never show you that one day, you know. Overgrow. When me have a root, me have a plant ahead. This seed ahead, this can't compare to it. You know. How the seed them, the grains them, big and fat. But it is a red. But are the better kind of this. Them are the old time oil. But that one now is like a modernized oil. It gives you a lot more oil more than this one. If you have all 150 root of that, the oil and the beer, yeah, come on, you make money flying.
When I get back to US, and I start working, I'm gonna send you $100 for some. You don't hire nobody in your field, right? You don't bring anyone there.
No,
Okay.
no, but if you tell, if no, and I really say we not bring people that you feel, you know. It all depends on who, because not everybody you can carry your place. You can't get everybody, but if we have it, me used to carrying people go work, you know. Me carrying people go work, man. But me tell them certain things when me and them go. First, from me I look them for work, make sure I tell them. So what they bush, stay a bush. You know, if you go over bush and come out talk with me over there.
And if
business
you
with that,
hear anything about it, you don't come back.
no, right. You know, if you come over the place, go see things. Jesus Christ, I go over there. You know, man, I plan the answer. So when they come around and the people those impression, it's like your life in a danger. So the more you can keep the environment quiet, is a better person. That's it.
Everybody say, "Yo, money now."
They know that's why the people they say we have money. The Navi people them, if you walk down the road, you can't tell a man say me have money.
Baba got money.
Surplus money to, you know what I mean, like this. They believe say me have money.
Him just go on with the little ragga house, like saying no,
No, go on.
but he have a mansion in a Kingston and we don't know. What's something go on?
So the people they ever think say me have money. And what me tell you is say to them is not that me have money but me invest me time. Because time is capital. So I don't lose time. So I don't have the cash money in my hand. But I have the value. So when me go in at the bank and then start to question me and ask me what me have and when me start and them start to, because the bank know every hill I have me having a bush. And when them run down and then they left the yam and then go to the banana field, when they go to the plant field. It's almost a minute. Just a rat millionaire. We said, no, I don't have it. If I was a millionaire, who could I borrow $100,000 from you? No, but I have it in capital. So, what I try to do, it doesn't matter what the people say. But for you, if you have money, you can't get up, sit down on your backside and expect to have it. You don't have to either be a scammer where you can work, or you have somebody that send it into you, and you still have to go get up, go for it. Right? So what I learned is time in. Find the white man tell me this thing I Canada, you know, me take it serious, you know.
Yeah.
I've been to Canada and the white man look at me and say, pat me on my shoulder and he said, let me tell you something, guys. Time is money.
Yeah.
When you come here, don't waste no time. And that's what we do. We never waste time. Because when me still got a road and man interview me and I tell you the plant are 6,000 hill I am a bush. He said, no sir. Baba, you plant 6,000 hill? So who they give me? He said, no, but they give me. He said, no. No.
He said, you couldn't dig it yourself?
No, he said, we can't dig it by myself. He said, we can't dig it. You see, the writing on the wall is there, man. Come and see.
Yeah, you can't do that.
And yet still, they see me every day and it look like it will come mash me up.
Yeah.
Because the mentality of the people is that hard work mash you up.
Yeah. But somehow you look young. You don't look like you do a little work in your life. You look like you stay on the beach.
Yes.
And you just stay on the beach. You know, they can't understand.
How you work so hard and you look so young? Every time I see you, you're not getting any older. You keep getting younger.
Yeah.
You see, the hard work. And the more you're getting old, and the more you work harder, the body get more exercise.
Did you take those vitamins again?
Yes, I'm going to take 1 pack this morning.
Did you're going to kick in tomorrow?
He's going to click in tomorrow.
Yeah, you're going to feel a little more up.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we can still take another one tomorrow?
Take another pack tomorrow.
Okay.
And you're just like, whoa, okay. I'm jolly. Oh, just a little different feeling.
Different feeling.
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you feel the difference, you're like, I need this. You know, sometimes in life, vitamins is key.
Yes.
But yeah, my brethren, like I say, I look at this place and I see a lot of potential. A man said to me, don't go farming out in the mountains. Farm on the flat, because that's where everybody's going.
Oh, idiot.
So he said they take their car and they drive to the farm now. Because to get out the food is hard, and it's too hard around here, he says, to farm. He says, don't farm around here, it's too hard.
That's what I say.
Yeah.
So I discourage you right away.
Yeah, I'm gonna say, don't come from America and farm around here.
Yeah, listen to them one.
What? Yeah, you could peel it for me. Chop it.
Chop it. For them language of peel it, man. Not like me and you say, chop it.
What did you do today? You pick pear?
I'm going to wrap some yam.
Wrap? What do you mean wrap?
Wrap the yam, wrap it.
What do you mean wrap?
You want to tell her wrapping the yam and the yam in the ground?
Oh, you wrap the yam on the stick?
Yes.
Okay.
Wrap it. The name is wrap it.
Okay.
When you see them run on the dirt, you pick them up and wrap them around and then go up. So the more they go up is the more the yam strive.
These farmers are so rich, they buy me drinks. They cook food for me. When I come from the US, I don't have to have any money here. These guys take care of me, man. Everybody in the US, you want to come here, Baba will feed you. Where did you get the coconut, Danny? Huh?
For our own tree, man.
Your tree?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Our tree, man.
Lovely, man. I wish I would plant some before I leave. Nice and lovely. Coconut ready, give thanks and blessings.
So you start moving sweet like
Yeah,
sugar. Now, we can't turn your head and you hold the camera up on him, didn't you?
Me?
Yes. Let me say me.
We're good, man.
Hold the camera on. Oh.
Sweet, not you?
I sugar that. Oh, wow.
Sweet to the crutch.
That's a drink. You
Better
didn't want to do that again.
This is Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life.
It's better than the one in my beer. The one in my beer, they're fresh. And you can't drink in it, but they're not so sweet like a bitter. Taste the sugar in this. It come like a sugar and water.
You hear this?
Yes.
Yeah, this seriously sweet.
Sweet, man. Oh, where you come from, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah. Hey, man. You see how I shape them, man?
When you cut this, a spoon me have to use now because it's only hard.
Yes.
Yes.
More you cut it for me.
You think I like water already?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Bust it in two now.
I'm a dirty cow, you know. Dirty bull.
When you done that, man, you don't want no food later. That food up in your belly, man.
Let's see.
If you come here, you see, I put you to a test. If you come here and spend 6 months and decide to go to the hills, when you look like me. You drop off all of the fat, everything just burn out.
Let me get a spoon. Well, I can't do that because my daughter. I love my daughter too much.
So that is the job we do the dirty pussy.
What, one year you're going to hear me get fed up, you know? One year you're going to hear me get fed up.
Yeah, the England man see the dirty politician there.
1 year, Baba, you're going to hear me get fed up and say,
Yeah.
Baba,
It's time to go.
make sure you make space for my things, for plant.
Come in there. No problem, I'm going to be there now because at the end of the day, I'm getting old. So while I'm coming out, you will be going in.
I'll be going in.
Yes. I'm coming out, you'll be going in.
Yeah. He's a sharp businessman.
And then now, we still going on, but we just have to see how things are run. And the younger generation. No, I tell them, they say, next 2-3 Papaya, that's me, that it done.
He's a sharp businessman now.
You have to think about him, we have to take up the mantle. And I try don't give him. You want me to invest some money in that, you see?
What's wrong? What's up? I must see a picture. Move, father. Hey, girl! Excellent. No. Was my hey, girl! Me not get none yet in a sassy a caillou. A video, the key, everything a video. Hey, girl! Chairman, back me at the costume. That's how you call you, go on now.
How old are you?
You promise me something.
What did I promise you?
No, sir. If he hot. No more. You full of pose.
I did focus. I'm still focused because that's why I'm there. I have to produce a show with a man with people all over the world.
Yes.
Baba.
Yes.
That's what I'm there to do. And me, I think about some of my friends them. Lock up in the system right now.
Yeah. Hook up in there.
And them I say, boy, I'm not going to retire one time and I'm going to live my dream. You know, I just go do what I have to do, so I have to come out. And then even when I sit down up here and I still think about me, say, you mean say me did sit down at the office for so long? For 17 hours on the weekend. What me did do it for? I know me I do something where me love. And me I see a different part of life on a consistent basis. You know what me have to give up? Health insurance.
Yeah.
And when I go to Africa, I learn, you know, what life was really about, you know. Life is about space and freedom.
Yeah, man.
You've been free since you start plant your field.
Yes, man, you're free, man.
You know, work for nobody.
Nobody. For the past 40 years now. You employ me once.
40 years.
Yeah.
You find something to work, you work it.
You work it, yes.
So you've never been a slave to no
Babylon system.
no system.
No, sir. I mean, I'll be that neither.
Me say Kanye West. Every time I left for Jamaica, you know, I go Africa. You see when I come back a foreign, a Kanye West up on the top of the chart. I go Jamaica now, I turn on the YouTube, a Kanye West.
Yes.
Craziness are going. The man a drop MF bomb in the White House. In the Oval Office.
In the Oval Office.
Highest place on the land.
The
And him a
White
cuss bad word.
Marcus Bado in there.
Yeah. So this is America. I'm saying, Lord, I need to move back to Jamaica because enough is enough. If we are cuss bad word,
In a White
in
House.
the most powerful place in the world, that it done.
You done?
Because word is power.
Yep. Can't take over it when you're ready.
The man a cuss bad word in the White House, Oval Office. I'm say the fabric of the world, it done.
White House.
White House. And the man say racism is invisible. Me say when money take people head, so you start it up.
You cook already, man.
You cook already?
Lord God, you think we could slow down here wait so long? You cook already. I just break, me just break.
What you say?
Wait till we see told back here. I break, we just break, we just done. So I say I'm going to sit down for 5 minutes now and wait till you come. Real caramel dumpling.
Real caramel dumplings.
Yeah, man, I hit them in love, man.
And chocho?
No,
Why
one little piece I am that.
Why in there?
Just the dumpling and one piece I am. One little slice I am, you like it. Now stuff up with no holy pie. And you know no starting there. This is it now.
Oh, you get the caramel.
I bush make it from Papaya.
Oh, this are the
bush cabbage.
The bush cabbage.
Yeah, man.
Why bless you know.
Tastes nice too, you know.
Yes, Jamaica, see there. No, no salt.
No, man, because the fish in there.
But green pepper.
Yes. But the only thing I'm running out now is pepper. I don't have as much pepper.
Green pepper. Because we've been eating them all week.
All week. But we should have picked up the pepper.
From the farm.
From the field.
Yeah.
But I will me left
nice caramel dumpling, a real thing them this, you
yes,
know.
Man,
you see the baba, you see them caramel dumpling, yeah?
Yes.
You can't, let me say, caramel dumpling is something good for you, you know.
Yes, man.
Because of energy and corn, so you can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong.
You don't process much.
Right.
You see me? So a real food to them, man.
A real food
Give
to them.
thanks and blessing, yeah,
Yes,
sir.
man.
Thank you so much.
Real food to
People Jamaican have a real dinner today. See there? Healthy, calm meal. A 10% flour you use.
You understand that? We don't really flour thing, you know, we cut out the flour thing.
Yeah.
But tell them about the real bush cabbage.
Tell them about the bush cabbage.
Cabbage this and a really cabbage, a bush cabbage.
Tell them about it.
It have more protein in it. Because it grow natural.
So it's not round.
No round. Just grow in a leaf. So you have better cabbage this than the one where they throw the whole heap of chemical. This is not no chemical. You know see outside of the house it grow.
Oh, you know about it?
Yeah, man, we this is for non-generation come up, man. Them here did, maybe a bush we grew up on when we were kids. Our mother used to cook this give. It take a little longer time to cook than just the ordinary cabbage. Because it have a biterish taste in it.
Okay, clean the blood.
Aye. You know, can't taste it, man. I'm not deceive you, man. I'm not deceive you, man. Taste that now.
It's very good.
Right.
Like cauliflower with a little kick.
Right.
Like, why come them never introduce this to me? I don't know about this.
You never know what it?
No.
So when you see Papaya, you think about?
You know, you know something, this tastes better, you know, like a better than Carlo. You know, man, huh?
This
is nice, man.
This is bush cabbage, man. They call this bush cabbage.
Baba, it is nice.
This is what we grew up on.
Then so what you saying to me is that's how people could have bush cabbage at them yard?
Yeah, man. Right now when I come down with you a while ago, Basil said to me, say, Jesus, And them the days if you go back to man. And them the days
Jamaica Good Life.
and the
Push
real
cabbage.
thing that.
Push cabbage.
Yes man, you see the real thing that I real thing you go cook baba. You say, yeah man. Last year, me and Daddy cook this and we freeze it up and have it in a fridge. Yeah.
So anytime I don't want and just.
You just go take it.
So them people about them a ball, you can eat that with rice, sardine.
anything when you go and cook it with. Anything at all you want to cook it with.
Jamaica bless.
Yeah, man.
So if you have cornmeal, bush cabbage, all you need is a stack of saltfish and you're
Just
done.
a stack of saltfish and it's done.
Sardine, you're done.
But right now, if we are eating natural, we don't even want no saltfish.
Yeah.
If we start to eat natural, if we start to just say, alright, here what? We will get 2 cucumber,
Chocho,
2 chocho,
tomato,
1 little piece of
and a
pumpkin,
little slice of turnip.
turnip, all of these things. You blame it.
Put it in there.
You don't want no
Put
saltfish.
some onion in there, some scallion in there.
Onion, hot pepper, good pepper, that means to say the heat come up.
Yeah,
Oh
scallion.
God, man. You don't want no saltfish in it, man. Because what the saltfish are going to do now, the saltfish are going to really divert the real British taste out of it.
Yeah.
So most likely you want to feel like you taste saltfish, but a good food, man. Make your body strong.
cabbage.
Bush cabbage. When my name is here and I'm bush cabbage, you know, they say, wow! I don't know we eat to grow up on.
So wait there, when we go plant up some, we just plant them.
Yeah, man, that's jukey hard,
So
but anyway,
people
grow.
not buy it.
Eh?
People buy it.
People buy it in the market.
Mhm.
You go to the market, you sell like Kalalu.
Okay.
Because the older set of people,
No.
not the young people, them. The older set of people will come in the market and sit and buy it. Because they know say better more than,
Alright, make us share up.
than Babylon one.
We anticipate this dinner today.
Yes.
Hey man, let me tell you man, people in Jamaica see him there, a $200 a day just to hang out with him. No, me can't cut it to 100 for my friend them.
Yes.
I only watch the YouTube video.
Alright.
So when them come Jamaica see him there, we'll drive through.
Come on.
We'll have to experience all of the life.
Good life.
Jamaica Good Life this, and you're going to email me at jatalkradio@gmail.com so I can link up with Baba when you come Jamaica, because you have to taste the bush cabbage. Just give me another dumpling. Yes.
And that's it.
Yes, I.
Alright.
Blessings and love, sir. Give thanks and blessings. Jamaicans, you see when I'm on vacation, that's why I come here, so. You can't get this nowhere else.
No,
You
yes.
can't get this nowhere else in the world. You can't get the coffee nowhere else in the world. And you're not going to get this at wood fire. And you're not going to get this at old Jamaican with the corn on top. And you're not going to get this kind of cornmeal dumpling. You're not getting no bush cabbage nowhere else. You see me? And then of course you're not going to have Baba sour orange in the yard.
So orange juice.
You're not going to get that. So, we're going to invite you now. But don't waste the man time. See there? Man, I forgot
there?
bush. Jamaica, I give you bush cabbage from the King Baba kitchen with 5% flour with cornmeal dumpling. And Baba, me know, say you run out of pepper, you know.
Yeah, but we run out of the
You
pepper.
run out of pepper.
But we have a little taste in the car, we put one in there.
Run out of pepper. You have some pepper tree near the yard now, Baba.
Me have a pepper tree on this one. You see, I dry down here now. But to me, I have enough pepper tree a bush. I grow pepper in the man, because I love pepper.
Are you yam?
Yellow yam, yeah.
Yeah, Mike there. I don't know some of all the period that might there.
No, man, one period there, man.
One period there?
Yeah, man, the avocado did there for you, man.
Where the fish from it?
Yes, man.
The real thing is one of there.
Yeah, man, you see it?
Where there?
Look under the mesh. Look under the mesh. You see one period.
Yes, where you get it from? That tree there? Next.
Road on road. Let me plant this a pear tree by myself, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, let me plant you on a road, man.
Jamaica, see there? I want pear a day me eating around.
Avocado, I want to eat a deer.
Talk about royal living.
Yes.
You know, get better than this. Jamaica Good Life. Dirty Randy. Yes. See them on. Vanessa, are you me a give out pan? See the Vanessa. Vanessa, you me a give out pan. I wait till Vanessa catch us. Vanessa, come in now. Alright, now hear me I say. I'm gonna cut this off on a serious note. I'm gonna tell you something. You always talk about